Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be an unboxing and an overview video of the Skywater Kick earphone. Now this is an extra bass metal body earphone which gives you high definition clear sound. Nowadays most of the companies are targeting towards high definition and extra bass. So these two are getting in a lot nowadays. So let's go ahead, open it up. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the earphone now. Let's remove this. Okay, so gold plated tip, gold plated pin, metal covering over it, and then you have this thing to keep it from breaking. Normally this is where the earphones generally break. Okay, so the wire is rubberized, so generally these kind of wires are much stronger, so hopefully the wire is going to be good. Now here is the difference. Now the remote is not over here like how other earphones have. It's where the earphone actually gets distributed between the left and right channel, so it is going to be low, but I'll test it and I'll let you know how good this is going to be. Now this has the same color scheme. This I think, yeah, even the earphone has the same color scheme, but the remote does not look very premium, very great. Okay, so again you have a thinner wire over here, similar design, so that also looks good. Let's see if it gets tangled. Okay, so it doesn't get tangled, so that's also nice. And since you get a cover to keep it safe, so you should not have any tangling issues with this. Okay, so now let's take a look at the earphone itself. Okay, again finishing issues. You see over, hopefully you can see this. See how it is bulging out, so they did not stick it properly. This has a manufacturing defect, so did not expect that. Will it just open up? Okay, no, it's stuck properly, but it's not proper. The finishing is not good, so that's something I did not expect from a 1,000 rupees earphone. Okay, this one is fine though. Now which is left, which is right? That's strange. Okay, so there is no left or right written on it. You just have red and blue. I think you just have to guess which one is red. Oh, sorry, which one is left or which one is right. Now this is really concerning me. I don't know whether I should return this, but anyways, hopefully the product that you get do not have this kind of manufacturing defect. Okay, so the earphone itself is pretty small. It's not that big, and the drivers are big, so hopefully the bass is good. So let me go ahead, test it, see how the sound quality is going to be, and then we will talk more about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about it. I used it for 3 weeks, and after 3 weeks I'm going to tell you what all I found. Now it took me so long because in the starting there was no bass in it, so it was just a trebly earphone, and if you increase the volume it'll really hurt your ears. So it was not a good earphone for me. That's why I did not make the video. I decided on using it for a longer period of time and then see how it's going to be. And in 2 weeks there was some bass which came out, so there is bass now, but that bass is not that great because even though this has high definition audio, it's got like decent bass now, but the treble is overpowering. So for me the problem is the treble part. I'm not a guy who I'm not a person who likes a lot of treble. It gives me ear pain. I really don't like it, and this is one of those earphones which I will not recommend for bass heads at all, because the treble is overpowering on this. Now let's talk about the build quality. Now everything else is good. The wire is excellent. I really like the wire quality and the way it actually looks. You can see the red, blue and golden wire inside, so everything is clear, everything is very nice, but that's it. Here is where they did not do a good job. This remote is very flimsy, so if you actually do like if you try to open it with your hand, this thing actually, now you can see there's a gap, so just by pulling it a little the gap comes in and it just breaks off that easily. So the build quality on the mic part is very bad. Now the earphone tip is fine, as in the pin is fine, but the problem with the pin is that even this corner, the finishing is not done very well. Let me just focus into that. Okay, so that's the pin, and you see that finishing is not that great. So the only thing I liked is the wire and the fact that this is metal. Now, even this, they did not stick it properly. You see that there's a gap in between. So they did not do a very good job in quality control. So that's one more thing. Now, a very surprising thing to me was they do not say left or right on them. So this has a blue one and a red one. So you have to guess which is left, which is right, and then use it that way. So I did not like that part also. Let's talk about the sound signature. Now the highs are too high, the mids are balanced, and the bass is you got a dynamic bass which is there, but it's not that great. So if you are a person who do not appreciate a lot of treble in your music, then I will not recommend this to you at all. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.